Skypilot here. How you going? Well, welcome to my channel. Flywoo, Dave C inspired, dead cat frame, Flywoo Explorer LR. This is the quad that got me into flying long range, guys. Fairly old now, still going super strong. Really nice GPS on the back there, connects super fast. 4S 1850 I have on the top there. Gonna fly around, blow the cobwebs off, and yeah, get a little bit of long range footage there, see how she goes. Not too sure if you can still buy this quad. I think you might be able to. If you can, I'll have the links below, obviously, for sure. We are connected up. Let's get up in the sky, connect our TBS Crossfire, have a scoot around. Blast from the past. Should be good fun. Just remember where I'm facing. I think we'll go over those hills over there. Bit of a scoot around the wharf. Going before our power supply diminishes. I can't even remember what information we've got sitting up here. Okay, satellites, link quality. Oh, everything under the sun here. Temperature, distance. Okay, toggles recording, most important. Sky Zone 04X's here, armed, and R4 Max. I think this is about 600 milliwatts maybe. Not entirely sure about that one, but let's have a make sure everything's okay. Fly around first. Oh, not too sure about that power supply. I did charge it up before I left, but my batteries are getting a little bit old. I think I need to do a bit of a battery shop pretty soon. So smashing on that thumbs up and dropping me a comment will help me out big time. Someone on the jetty here doing something. Craft NAM. I haven't named my craft yet. The Flywoo. Mountain climber, we'll call it. $300 meters from home. Let's just see how long range this thing actually really is. I think safe to say I've gone around 1 kilometer on this before, but it's a long climb up here if she balls us up. 500 meters. 100 meter altitude, giving me a little bit of a warning. Make sure my antenna's facing the right direction. See if we can't push it to, oh, I'm not sure, 500-600 meters up the gully here. Make sure I'm looking in the right direction. Head in the sky, looking east. 490 meters. I haven't really been up near these houses before. Ooh, she's going really well. Okay. Oh, hello house. 600 meters. Looking good, going strong. Super steady picture. How about that, guys? Look at that. Really nice steady picture, not much breakup at all. I have my spiral antenna on. Turn to home isn't really working that well. I think a little bit of breakup there at 700 odd meters. I'm not going to push it. Even though I haven't flown this thing for a long time, I don't really want to lose it. Let's head up over the hill. Down the other side. It's going to cop a bit of wind here. Oh, yep, there's a little bit of wind there, guys. A little bit of wind. Whoa, dear. Yeah, that was close. It was pretty close. I don't know why I do these things. She's She's a bit choppy in the water. I was going to do a bit of squidding today, but a bit too rough for squid. Let's have a bit of a fly by this jetty again. I do like flying down here, as you may have noticed. This thing is an absolute pearler, guys. Really like flying this Explorer. Yeah, we're a couple of meters up. Okay. There's your aerial shot. Let's finish off with some line of sight. Goes up, must come down. Yeah, 5 minutes of flight, 5 minutes of flight time. I don't want to push it too much. I haven't flown this thing for ages. I forgot how good the VTX is on this. I flew, yeah, right up over past those houses up there. Minimal breakup. It did break up a little bit when I was coming back, because what happens when you spin around, your antenna does actually face the opposite direction, so your picture does decrease slightly. Oh, she's getting a bit washy now. The picture does degrade slightly when you turn around, but I can see why I like this Explorer so much. And to be honest, I'm pretty lucky I've still got it, because I have pushed this thing pretty far in the past. Lots of videos on it. If you want to know anything about it, yeah, let me know. I'll have some links below for you guys for sure. And as always, appreciate you sticking this close to the end. And stay tuned. Smash on that bell, guys. I've got a really neat giveaway coming up soon. Much appreciated. See you in the sky. Happy flying. Bye for now.